Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Unisyomyo 50W soundbar for smart TV. Model Sb-UN-P03. And why you should buy choose. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. Transform your TV viewing experience with this sleek soundbar home theater audio system. This versatile soundbar delivers rich, room-filling audio that significantly upgrades your TV's built-in speakers. Perfect for movies, music, and gaming, it creates an immersive sound environment right in your living room. The streamlined design complements any modern TV setup while saving space compared to traditional speaker systems. Easy to set up and use, this soundbar connects seamlessly with your smart TV and other devices. Experience enhanced dialogue clarity, deeper bass, and crystal clear high notes that bring your entertainment to life. Whether you're watching action-packed movies, streaming your favorite shows, or enjoying music, this soundbar delivers impressive audio performance that will make every moment more engaging. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.